I'm going to show you how to find winning products on Minea. Minea is one of my favorite spy tools. I always recommend spy tools to find products because it can show you what's working in the market right now. When you use spy tools such as Minea, it can show you products that are doing well, and then all you really have to do is find a product that's working well for someone else, model it, replicate it, and improve on it to really build your own offer. So here we are on the Minea website. If you go to prices, you can see here that Minea costs 49 euros per month. They give you 10,000 research credits, and you can see ads that are working well on Facebook, influencers, and Snapchat. If you get the premium option, they also let you see ads that are working well on TikTok and Pinterest. If you want to get 20% off your first 3 months with Minea, use the coupon code TRW20 at checkout to get the discount. So here we are on the Minea dashboard. I'm going to show you 3 ways to find products on Minea. So the first way is by using the top 10 winning products list. The second way is to use Minea's top 100 product list. And the third way is to use the Minea search. So the first way is to come down here on the main dashboard and look for the top 10 winning products of the day. Every single day, Minea will show winning products that are doing well in the market right now. So every day, I recommend going through these products, watching the video ads, and seeing if anything really catches your eye. So this third product here looks interesting. It's a suitcase. If you click play on the video, which I recommend doing, you can see how they're selling it. So it's a pretty unique suitcase here that can add more storage. What you can also do is if you click on the ad, it will show you the likes, the comments, and the shares. You can also see their video ad and their ad copy. And if you scroll below, you can see how their engagement increased over time. And then if you go below, you can see, the audience gender, the country they're running in, and the age. So this is a very good tool to use to find winning products. When you go above, you can also see ads from the same shop. You can see the product page and you can see the post. So generally, I recommend looking at the post. On the Facebook page here, you can see their video, you can see their text. It has 23,000 engagement and 2.5k comments. So usually what I like doing is going here and filtering by the most relevant. And when you do this, you can see what people really think about the product. You can see what people think. I love mine. I've had it for a month. Isn't it great? You can see what people think about it. You can see objections. And from the comment section, you can really get a lot of ideas about ad angles to use. So I definitely recommend reading the comment section for every single product you find. So every single day, I recommend you guys go through the top 10 winning products of the day to get ideas to see if there's anything worth testing. The next way to find products is by going here and going to Facebook ads. So here we are on the Facebook ads. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to go through the premium list of Facebook winners. So there's a link here that says you've unlocked the premium list. And when you go on there, it will show you top 100 products to sell on Facebook. And in here, every single month, they're going to go through and show you 100 products that are doing well on the market right now. So as you can see, there's a cat product, there's a jewelry product, and it's always good to really scroll down and go through all of these ads to see if there's anything worth testing. I recommend taking the time to go through it, see which products are doing well. They have over 100 products on this list. These are all products that are doing well for other people right now. So it's good to get inspiration from here and really understand why a certain product works. When you find a good product, watch the video ad, look at their website, get inspiration from what's working well already, so you can understand how to really make your ads in a way that can convert. This list is a goldmine. It really shows you what's working well on the market, and you can obviously go ahead, reverse engineer their success, and find a good product to test. And now, the final way to find winning products on Minea. This is the way I recommend. This is the most effective method. I'm going to show you how to search for good winning ads on Minea with these filters. So go here and click Advanced. Now, I recommend looking at ads that have been created in the last 30 days. When you do this, you can see ads that are trending right now. I do recommend going ahead and testing the creation date. A product that worked a year ago might work today if you launch it. So you can always test and play around with it. I do recommend doing that. Next, for countries, I like doing the United States. Most of the best dropshipping ads are in the United States, but obviously feel free to test these countries as well. For languages, I like doing English. Most of the best ads will be in English. Then for ecom platform, do Shopify. For likes, show ads that have at least 100 likes. So when you do this, it will filter out all the ads that haven't really done very well. So with these filters, you can see ads that are doing well in the last 30 days. So once you've done that, go below and you can start looking at ads that are doing well right now. So this is an interesting product here. It's a nail product. It's been running for a week. It already has 31,000 likes and 6,000 shares. So this could be a product worth testing. Now remember to keep your winning product criteria by your side at all times so you can really understand which products are worth testing. You want to spend the time to really sit through as many products as you can. It's always good to see what's working on the market so you can gain some intelligence and really understand what's working well. So once again, you have the Cushion Lab. This ad has been running for a few days and already has 4,000 likes. This could be a product worth testing. You have a migraine relief cap here, which is pretty interesting. This is a product you put on your head and it relieves migraines. You can see how they're advertising. You can see how they're using a review and a photo in the ad. So this could be something worth testing as well. Every time you find a good product, make sure you add it to a list. So when you add it to a list, you'll be able to come back to it later on so you can go through it again and pick a product from that list. So it's Q4 right now, Christmas is coming up. You can see a lot of ads in the jewelry niche that do pretty well. So this is print-on-demand jewelry. This could be something that's worth testing as well. So guys, with this method, the key is to sit there and really sit through a bunch of pages, right? If you keep on going through these pages, you'll always find ads that are doing well in the market right now that you can test for yourself. Now remember guys, don't limit yourself to only these filters, right? Take the time to go through different creation dates, different like amounts. You might want to see ads that have over 1,000 likes. You might want to see ads in different countries and different languages, right? With filters, take a lot of time to play around with it. The more filters you test, the more products you'll find. So this is a very good way to find winning products. I do enjoy using spy tools as it gives you a lot of intelligence on what's working well in the market and you don't have to leave it to chance. So I definitely recommend using Minea.